In this video, I want to talk about how you can update your address on eToro. Now to update it, you need to have some sort of proof for your address. So what you want to do is make sure that you have your proof. Now it needs to be your full name, your new address, and it needs to be at least 3 months old. At least within the 3 months, I mean. Once you have that, it can be any of these like utility bill, bank, lease agreement, any of this stuff. And you want to make sure that it needs to be an official document, or it needs to be a very clear photo. So any of these will be fine. Once you've done that, you want to upload the document onto your eToro account, under settings, documents, and click on the proof of address. Now once you've done that, it should be updated. But if that still doesn't work, what you can do is simply contact the support, let them know that you moved or you have a new address and you want to update it. Then they might ask you to give you the proof up here, and you're just going to send it to them. Now once that is all done, you should have your updated address. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.